Everyone. You might be trying to figure out how you can fix your iPhone 17, iPhone 17e, or iPhone Air if it's not charging at all. Now, there's a couple of different things to keep in mind here. Within these particular iPhones, you're going to have to remember that if you are plugging in a wire charging or if you're plugging in a wire charger at all, there was a glitch that basically happened not that long ago that basically stopped an iPhone, one of these newer iPhones, from charging if it hit below a certain battery percentage. So to fix this, you will have to update your iPhone. So go inside of your iPhone settings like this, scroll over till you find your general settings, tap on software update, and make sure you are on iOS 26.5.1 or above. So if you're watching this in the future, make sure you are on iOS 26.5.1 or above. If you're not, that's basically going to be one of the main ways you're going to run into this problem here. So go through, double check that, and make sure that's not the problem there, and that's going to be one of the main things I'd recommend kind of thinking about. Now you can also try if that's not working. You might also want to try double checking your charger. Sometimes the charger you're using might be the problem as well, so you can try a different charger, maybe try a wireless charger as well, and hopefully that will end up fixing the problem for you as well. So those are kind of the main things I'd recommend doing here. Double check the software version you're on and double check the charger. Those are kind of the big things I'd recommend kind of thinking about. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.